Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great day. How's everyone doing? Um, all right. So looking at AJ here, uh, AJ, we had this break and close above this resistance, which was this New York highs. And now we have this resistance at 95,550. So closures above that should be good for buys. Looking at it, oh, what the hell? Looking at AJ. Uh, all right, so AJ here, buys above closure. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Maximilian. Good morning, Tato. Good morning, Magic. Good morning, Moimi. Morning, Finn. Good morning, Brian. All right, this is resistance here. Also could also be a good spot for sales. If we close below this resistance, we should continue dropping. But we're gonna have the sales right here though. Alright, let's have some music playing in the background. Start with Tyra. Just give me a second, guys. Alright, let's take a look at EJ. Good morning, Rodolfo. Good morning, Brian. Uh, I'm gonna open the access to join the mentorship this weekend. And but after today's stream, I'm gonna post the link after the stream, and Anyone who wants to secure their spot can secure their spot. Because next week Sunday we kick it off. We kick off the mentorship next week Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna look at GJ Tango. Good morning, Smith. Good morning, Akine. Good morning, the D reactions. So looking at EJ, we're gonna have buys above this resistance, above closure. So EJ, we just need a break above or close break below this range. That's what we need on edge for EJ. And sells below this support. If this candle flips on AJ, we should continue up. So I'm just gonna set this here for now. Let me see something here on the 15. And if this bullish momentum is strong here on AJ, I'm anticipating that EJ is gonna go all the way to 96,158 at least. So but if this candle closes below this support, because now we're actually creating a resistance here, if we close below, then we possibly could be pushing down here. So we'll see what happens here. Let's take a look at GJ. Alright, so looking here at GJ, honestly, if you ask me, if you look here to the left, there's too much stuff going on here on GJ to the left. So my buys is gonna be above 162,250 because we do kind of have, you know, some type of clean range back to 162,550, 162, 650 thereabouts. So my buys is gonna be above 162,200. Because if we break above this range right now, possible rejection is right here to the left. We could see rejections here. So I'm looking for buys above 162,250. I know, right, Finn? Yeah, GG and EJ finally dropped eventually. Crazy, right? Good morning, Luxy. Oh, Mamba lost 5 trade recently on GJ. Yeah, GJ's been crazy, man. 50K funded account. What lot size were you using when you passed your challenge? Ask yourself that question. What lot size were you using when you passed the challenge? That's the same lot size you should be using. The same lot size you used to pass the challenge, that's the same lot size you should be using. USDJPY is still bullish, but there could be some opportunity for quick sells. For those of you that love to trade USDJPY, it barely moves though in London though, but maybe it will move today. Take a look at GU. GU still in a downtrend. I prefer sells on GU, not buys, honestly. I prefer sells. If this candle does not flip in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna wait it out on AJ. If it does not flip, if this candle does not flip in the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna wait it out on EJ, because now we're creating a resistance here, which is definitely understandable, because we have what? We got rejections here to the left. About risk management, would I have a rule where you do not give back more than 50% of your previous day profit? Cut your losses short. Just cut your losses short. For example, this AJ buys right here. Let's say my buys on AJ was somewhere here. Let's say my buys on USDJPY was around 95,348, right? And let's say I have my stop loss somewhere here, right? So I have my stop loss at around 95,144, and that's about 20 pips. Now I do not have to wait for price to get back to actually hit my stop loss, even though we're still above resistance. But if price pulls back, and once we start breaking these lows at 95.280, you have at least a what? You have at least a 70% chance, in my opinion, for price to stop, or for price stopping you out. There's a 70% chance that you're gonna get stopped out. So just cut your losses short, get out the trade, or close half of your position. You either get out the trade or close half of your position. You can also manage your risk that way by closing half of your position. So those are the two things you can do. You either close half of your position or you get out the trade. So the same thing with these buys that I'm looking to take. If I was already in a buy right now, I'm getting out of this trade, because what? Now we're closing back below this resistance, meaning we might actually continue dropping, and I might end up losing out this trade. So in this case, I will close out my position because I might get stopped out. Make sense? Hope it makes sense. You always want to try to, cut your losses short. Make your losses short and leave your winners. Leave your winners running and keep your losers short. All right. I don't see buys here anymore for now. I actually want to see how USDJPY closes here. This candle, 15-minute candle has no top wick, so we're gonna wait on the 30-minute time frame here. We're gonna wait on the 30-minute time frame, and we'll see what happens. To do something real quick, I hope it works. Yo, James FX, how you doing? Good morning, Tony. I'm good, James FX. I'm blessed. Blessed to be alive. So I'm gonna do this here just in case we start falling here. With this rejection, I'm expecting a fall. But if we do take this trade, guys, make sure you minimize your lot size because of the time. London open, the trade could continue going away. So, and if we're in profit, if we take this trade, if we're in profit and we do not secure 10 pips before London open, we're gonna have to move move our entry to BE to break even, just in case London open wants to do something else. All right. So we're pulling back. All right. This is not a bad entry. We'll see. But I do like this rejection though. Are we going to continue? That's the question. I like this rejection. It's rejecting at a nice, strong zone. So we'll see. We shall see. I'm not in yet, so 3 more minutes. Okay, looking at the 5 minute here, we could continue. You know why? Because looking at the 5 minute, you know why we might continue pushing up here? Because if you look at this on the 5 minute, we had rejection here at this resistance. Price came back and we tested what? We tested a minor resistance right here, and we have a retest right here to the right. So we could continue up, except if price rejects this resistance again here on the 5 minute, then we should continue pushing down. But looking at this on the 5 minute right now, because of this retest we just did here at this minor resistance, price we tested it to the right, creating what? A demand zone here. We could continue pushing up. So we just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen here. Good morning, Roseberg. Yeah, I actually did. I traded NY session. NY session was good for me though. Oh, I need a week. What's the 5 minute looking like? Okay. If price should come down and we start breaking these lows here, we should continue pushing down. We could reject that again, so yeah, my entry is gonna be right there. Uh, you're not late. We've not taken any trades yet. The reason why I'm trying to be cautious with this sell I'm trying to take is because looking at the 4-hour, we clearly bullish. We're clearly bullish, so that's why I'm trying to be cautious with these sales I'm trying to take here. That's why I'm also looking at the 5-minute. After saying what I saw earlier, but if we should cross this low at around 95,431, we're gonna fall. No news. You can't hear me, Isa? Anyone else having the same issue? Can you guys hear me clearly or no? All right, cool. Can I look at EJ? I looked at EJ earlier, so sells below this support and buys above. All right, cool, cool. Our sales on EJ is obviously gonna have to be London Open because we've not broken these lows here. We have Asian lows right here. We haven't broken it yet. If I turn on the kill zones here and we turn on the New York Asian session, you can see that we do have Asian Asian lows, and this is our Asian highs. We break these Asian lows, we should continue down to this support at least. And if we go here on AJ, turn on Asian session, we have our Asian session highs right here, and we're currently rejecting. And we have our Asian session lows right here. We continue rejecting this. I'm anticipating that we should continue down to this Asian session lows at least. Except if London wants to act funny and wants to create another low. Alright, 5 minutes still trading below this resistance here. Isa still saying he can't hear me. I don't know why. Um, Isa, maybe you need to turn up your volume because my microphone is all the way up. Yeah, my microphone is all the way up right now. You said it must have clicked mute. Oh. Remember what I said, if we take this trade, lower your lot size. Amen. Amen, guys. I took this house. Mm. I'm in USDJPY sales. Remember what I said about your stop loss? I mean your your what do you call it? Lot size. Because we're taking this so close to London Open. Oh man, I took this trade on the wrong the wrong account. Yeah, so that's okay. So I took it on my account that I use for indices, which is Hugo's way, because I traded NAS 100 That was the last trade I traded yesterday, and I have it on my Hugo's Way account. But it's alright. Next trade, I'm gonna trade it on my Anchor Trade account. Okay, and Hugo's Way spread is more than Anchor Trade. No, I must let Anchor Trade know that it was a mistake, an honest mistake. How to subscribe to paid VIP signals from me. Link is in the description. Yeah, I already gave my analysis, Fioki. I said AUDJPY is bullish. I'm not disputing the fact that it's bullish. But it's clear as day on the 4 hour. You can see it's bullish. But that doesn't mean you can take a sell. You cannot take a sell. Like, look at this sell here. Were we bullish when this drop happened or not? We was bullish. This sell here, were we bullish when it happened? Yes, we was bullish. This sell here, were we bullish when it happened? Yes, we was bullish. So just because you're bullish does not mean you cannot take a sell. Make sense? And if it doesn't make sense, then I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what else to tell you. If it doesn't make sense, guys, you know what here? Um, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here because we took this trade before London open, and if we do get stopped out, then it is what it is. We will look for another entry. All right. The only reason why I'm moving this to break even right now is because this trade is before London open, and I don't know what could happen when London opens. So I suggest you guys do the same. Hopefully we don't get stopped out here and price just continue dropping. It should, but because it's before London open, very close to London open, that's why I'm moving it to break even right now. Alright, we're slowly pulling back here. And if we get stopped out, it's okay. We'll we'll get another entry. Come on, drop, 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 drop. We got to 5 pips. 5 pips. We were 5 pips away from at least securing 10 pips before it started pulling back here. Oh yeah, this 15-minute candle has no top wick, so it could either continue or it could flip bearish. If it flips bearish, we're gonna get stopped out. If this was London Open, I'm not moving nothing to break even until I get at least 10 pips. Good morning, Glody. Fiyoki said this sell won't hold. That's one thing I love about trading. Like, we all cannot see the same thing in the market. Our bias, my bias is going to be different from yours. Your bias is going to be different from mine. You know, we all see the market differently. We read price differently, and I love that about trading. And some people, their strategy is to only, um, get in a position above closure, above closure or below closure. I do that too, but that's not my only strategy. That's not my only strategy. Those of you that have been with me for a while now, you guys already know that about me. Oh, I'm still in. I've not been stopped out yet. Maybe I won't. Who knows? Maybe we won't get stopped out. What are you working on, Ekine? If we secure 10 pips here, that would be crazy. If we don't get stop out here, the next pair I'm going to be looking for sales is going to be EJ. But man, this candle on EJ though. Plus this 15-minute candle has no top weight, kind of is dropping like crazy. Come on, drop. Do the same thing EJ is doing. Drop. Let's go. 3 minutes to close. If the next candle opens bearish, that might take us to 10 pips. You took EJ sales already, Finn? Damn, you very bold for take. Oh, damn, what the hell? Okay. I already have a lot of haters on YouTube hating on me for no reason. Hating on me for no reason. No reason at all. If this 4 hour candle should flip bearish, it's over with. We're coming down. If it flips bearish, it's over with. We're coming down. The only question now is, what's London gonna do? Are we gonna continue down? You see, there we go. You see, we opened bullish. This is exactly why I moved my stops to entry. This is exactly why. If it flips bearish, then we're gonna continue down. There's no entry here on EJ. No entry here at all. Too close to this support, so we just gotta wait. GJ though. Closures below this support on GJ, then we look for sales. EJ, now we gotta wait for price to break below this support. This candle bullish candle could continue bullish, or it could actually flip. If it flips bearish, then we should continue coming down. Oh man, I'll be looking to take EJ now if only this candle had closed a little bit below the support, not freaking all the way down here. UJ though, but I don't want to take UJ at all. I'm gonna look for sales on GJ. Yeah, this should continue down. It's just too risky. Let's go, AJ. Come on. Come on, flip bearish, man. Flip bearish and drop. You know that's what you're supposed to do. Kill that beat, I know, right? Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings, AP. Maximilian, yes, I do. Yes, I do take news into consideration. Right now, you cannot sell EJ right now. You have to wait below this support here, and then you look for sales. Selling here right now, you could get faked out. Because where are you going to put your stop loss? Where? If you want to risk it and take a sell here, you have about 13 to 15 pip range, and look at your stop loss. Your stop loss would at least has to be up here, and you're looking at about 40 pip stop loss just to get what, 13 to 15 pips. That's not good risk. That's not a good risk at all. You need at least 1 to 1. So that's why right now I'm not looking for sales on EJ right now until we break below this support. Right now. Well, looks like I've been stopped out here. Yep. All right. Stopped out of AJ. Now we look for buys above 95,500 or sells below 95,200. But I feel like if it wasn't for London Open, AJ would have continued falling. If 15-minute candle closes below this support, GJ should continue falling. Damn. Oh, EJ is falling. I mean, GJ is falling. Damn. Shit, AJ flipped. Uh, there goes our 10 pips. Damn. It's okay. Our trade is coming. The next 15-minute candle can just pull back, and then that's gonna give us entry on the 30-minute time frame. So it's okay. No worries. And if it continues dropping, another entry is coming. So don't panic. So if this next 15-minute candle opens bullish and continues, we could have an entry on the 30-minute on GJ. Because right now, regardless of how you look at it, number one, you're following your trading plan. Number two, no matter how you look at it, this was an impulse entry. Sometimes impulse entries still work. And the only reason why this one is playing out right now is because we do have a rejection at this support here to the left. So that's why it's working out right now. So if this bullish candle here continues and closes bullish, we're definitely going to have an entry on the 30-minute if we continue falling. So just stay patient, guys. Just stay patient. So let's keep looking at it on the 15. I hope they're not trying to grab liquidity here. If we close above this support, if we close above this support, we might get quick buys back to this support, to this resistance. So we'll see. You'll see how this candle closes on the 15 minute. Right now we're still rejecting this support here to the left. We're still rejecting it. Finn, you don't have to keep doing that. Good morning, Mario. So we got 12 minutes here. So I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. We got 12 minutes to see if we're gonna get a sell entry on the 30 minutes. All right. Let me see how this looks on the 5. Okay. All right. I'll be right back, guys.
lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been it. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry red. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would have owed me. Everything you ever told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama. I used to stay on one. Now I changed on them. The highs with the lows, lows. That's life these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Hit the highs with the lows, lows. That's like these days. Bro chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. I just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess that's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change, I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud, out the rain, like I remember all those same nights. Now I'm on top, no stage fright. Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador. Breaking trends and I'm making more. Going up, climbing ladders more. I can't be stopped. Now I do what I want. Real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows, lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy.
I don't trade gold, Hassan. we're still rejecting this minor support here. I'm not in. I'm not in. But I do like this rejection here though. Mm, 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 mm. No, 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 no. GJ has been playing a lot lately. Yeah, we already closed. We already closed AJ. I like this 1 hour bearish flip, and I like this rejection here on the 30 minute. That's why I want to jump in now. So when I take it, I'll definitely let you guys know. For now, I'm not in yet. Actually, yeah, it's better to get in right there. Yeah. Let me make this text bigger. Before some of you start saying you don't see it. There you go. See how GJ playing games? No, I'm not in Mogisha. That's why I have the text on there saying I'm not in. So maybe I need to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe some of you is watching this from your phone. The best way to watch all this live stream is either you watch from a computer, tablet, iPad, or from your computer, not from your phone. GJ just steadily playing games.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick
I
it up,
said
pick it
GJ
up.
trying to hunt stop losses.
Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip,
We'll
yeah,
see what it's gonna do in the next 15 minutes.
secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Meanwhile, EJ is dropping, but I do not like where it's at right now. Um, yeah. You took a buy on what pair? Uh, Ace FXM. 15-minute candle must have opened bearish. You took a buy on GJ. That's a very risky buy because we're currently rejecting this minor support here. We're rejecting it.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Yeah, I'm so handsome. All in carmines with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it.
No, J Smith. I did not take it yet.
On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat
Nope.
this.
I haven't called it yet.
Know the price cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you.
I haven't called it yet.
Was around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Playing too many games.
I won't stop. Won't stop.
Yes. It does look good to short, especially with this rejection. I kind of low-key want to wait to see how this candle close. But if we do come back to 161, 458, 460, I'll just take this out. I'll pull the trigger. I'll just pull the trigger. And whatever it does, it does.
No sleeping, no, I won't fall. No sleeping, no, I want it all. I keep God first. I see evil, when I converse. This how God works. Play my position, what he's giving with no concerns. Set it out.
GG has been acting crazy for a while now. This is GJ season. Well, I took it. Took it. Took it. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. Let me put my mic closer. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, XFM. Sorry about that. I mean, losses happen. What can you do? You can't do nothing about losses. You just gotta try and come back strong. This entry was based off the 5-minute lows. These lows right here. We honestly should continue here, like, except if GJ wants to freaking act crazy. We should continue pushing down here. Good morning, Franco. Yeah, absolutely. GJ is very ugly. There is there's no doubt about that. It is very ugly. DJ is very ugly. It's a very ugly chart.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice.
Rosberg, yeah, DJ is wifey, but she looks ugly right now. Just look at this on the 4 hour. Very ugly. DJ herself knows that she's ugly. Look at all this. We should continue down.
No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no French toast, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.
2 more pips, and we'll be securing 10 pips. 2 more pips. All right, let's go. 15 pips secured on my end. What did you guys secure? Let's go. Let's see those W's. 15 pips secured on GJ. Let's see if we're gonna get a runner. Wow, GJ doesn't want to give us a runner. GJ is trying not to give us our runner, huh? All right, GJ. I understand the rejection because we do have. It's just that GJ just looks ugly. We got this reject support here, but I was expecting the rejection down here, not over here. So if this candle can flip bullish, that would be nice. We due for some runners again. Don't you guys agree? If we continue falling, I might actually, because the reason why I have my stops here, my final TP here at 168.61 is because of this, all these potential weak fills here on the 4 hour. That's why. If not, GJ actually has the potential of coming all the way to 160.400, which is right here, or 160.100, which is down here. So I might actually just trail my stop loss here on GJ. Just continue trailing it, trailing it, trailing it. But I will be taking partials until it eventually stops me out. We'll see. But for now, VIP's the final TP is down here. We'll see. Even USDJPY looks ugly too. Oh, this is a nice rejection on USDJPY. If you're getting right now, you're getting in aggressively. But if you wait for this 15-minute candle to close, see what the next candle is going to do, and then you can have your entry here on the 15. Come on, GJ, drop. Give me 20 more pips. Give me 20 more pips. Oh, Cosmic Crew, you proud? You should switch your broker. Start using Hanko Trade. Was my Forex journey in any ways difficult process? Um, I wouldn't say difficult, but there definitely was ups and downs. It comes that's what comes with Forex. There definitely will be ups and downs. You're not gonna get into this industry and just start making money right away. It's a learning process. You got stopped out. Honestly, if you get in again now, you're actually getting in aggressively because we got this support here. Now, this support here, if we do break below this support, below 161, 200, then you can get in again. Because right now, like I said, we actually, because GJ is just so freaking ugly, we're rejecting this support here. We're rejecting this support at 161, 364. That's where we're currently rejecting at. So if we eventually close below this support, then we're coming down to this next support here, and they break below 161, 200, then you can look for sales again. But right now, GJ can basically just do anything. Reject here, and then just we can start pushing up, or reject here, then we test this support at 161. I think that's 161, 500 before it starts dropping again. So just wait. That's my own suggestion. At the end of the day, you guys can do whatever you want. So, while we hopefully waiting to see if we can take one more trade here, uh, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, because your broker sucks, you're paying too much spread, too much commissions, I definitely strongly do recommend Anchor Trade. With Anchor Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And the two account types I do recommend with Anchor Trade is either ECN if you have less than $1,000. If you have at least $1,000, then go with ECN Plus. With Anchor Trade, their spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. If you do that, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200. So if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. All right. Yeah, so still rejecting that support to the left. So damn, 52 likes and we got 150 people watching. We should be at least 100 likes. Can you use it in the US? Of course, I live in the US and I use Hanko Trade. Alright, so the webinar, 2-day trading webinar that I did last weekend, the video files are still for sale. Link is in the description, or you can type !webinar. And then my mentorship program is gonna start September 1st, which is this week, but we're not gonna officially start until Sunday. That's gonna start. And if you're in the Discord, once I end this live stream, I'll give everyone the link to secure their spot. And this is what you're gonna get with the mentorship program. You're gonna get weekly webinars. That's gonna be on every Saturdays. You're also gonna get the pre-market analysis. We're gonna do that every Sunday before market open. You're gonna get signals, and also there'll be homeworks I'm gonna give you guys assignments. Whatever I teach you guys on the webinar every Saturdays, I'm gonna give you guys an assignment, and you guys need to return the assignment via Discord by Tuesday. So that's enough time. You're gonna have to return the assignment by Tuesday. Now, when it comes to the assignment, I'm gonna give you guys 3 trials. If you do not turn in your assignment by Tuesday, after the third time you do it consistently, I'm gonna cancel your membership because I do not want people that are not gonna take this serious. If you're not turning your assignment, that means you're not taking this serious. So I'll cancel your membership and then you'll be off my mentorship program. It's not all about your money. So that's what the mentorship program is going to entail, and that's going to be what I'll be looking for. Hey Tori, you see what I was saying? Guessing? You see what I was saying? If you are taking a sell here now, you'll be in a drawdown, and we might even get stopped out here. You guys also need to understand this is NFP week, and we're also in the month of August. The month of August is one of the hardest months to trade. Trading now is only gonna get harder from here. Oh, nice! You trailed your stop. Nice. Uh, you missed the class story. I mean, you can get the video files if you want to, if you're still interested. You can get the video files, and if you do that, I'm just gonna need your email. You just send it to me on Discord. All right. Stopped out. Stopped out. No runners. No runners. Ooh, look at EJ. Oh yeah, GJ is gonna follow suit. Yep, GJ is gonna follow suit. This is why I didn't take the sales on EJ2, because this was not really a break and retest, because we didn't get back to this support. We didn't reject off of this support here. If we did, I would have taken the sales. So now we're gonna see, just wait and see here if we're gonna close above here. So let's update our trading journal here. We started this month very well, but yesterday, man, yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was crazy, but still a profitable month so far. 29 wins, 14 losses. almost 68% win rates. You know, like I always say, with this strategy, only looking for 10 to 20 pips. As long as you can get above 60% win rate, that's a profitable month or a profitable year. As long as you have 60% win rate, you will be profitable. Well, that's that for the month of August. And for the year we're at 73% win rate. So can't complain. 10, 5, 35. Oh man, I, I would have taken this GU sales. Oh no, 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 no. I wouldn't have. Don't even have one to one. Nope. Wouldn't have taken it. That's a no for me. So I want to see what EJ is going to do here. What would one expect for the assignments? Is it a mixture of chart analysis or what else would there be fairly new to the it's gonna include chart analysis. Basically, is the webinars is gonna include everything you're gonna get if you were to buy a forex course. That's what the webinar is gonna include, but it's not gonna be all in one day. It's not gonna be all in one day because it's a ongoing mentorship program, ongoing webinars every Saturdays. So, gonna start from the basics and work all the way up, and we go from there. And then from there, we go to different strategies you can use to make money. If you like using indicators, we'll talk about that too. If you like using price action, we'll talk about that too. Price action is the best strategy anyways. How to use higher time frame to determine what kind of entry you should be looking at the lower time frame if you trade on the lower time frame. The higher time frame is going to tell you what you need to look for on the lower time frame. For example, in the beginning of the stream, when we took this trade, this sell here on AJ, I was like, AJ is absolutely bullish looking at a higher time frame. But that does not mean you cannot take a sell, because some of you don't even know why I took this sell, because somebody was already arguing with me that, oh, we're gonna lose this trade. I loved what I saw. That's why I took the sell. I know it was bullish. If I had still been in a sell, I mean, I would be in profit and I would have smashed secure 10 pips right now. Yeah, went down 17 pips, but we're bullish. But I took the AJ sell. Why? Because we have a nice major zone here. And then when we go here to the right, what did we do? We rejected off of it. Once we rejected, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close. And then I was looking at the 15-minute as well to see if we could have an entry on the 15-minute. We did not. So I went back to the 30 and we had an entry on the 30-minute time frame. The only reason why I closed out this trade and we got stopped out at break even was because of we were getting close to London Open and I didn't know what was going to happen during London session. Anything could happen. So we moved our stops to break even. So you just got to know what to look for. And these are the things that I'm going to be teaching on the mentorship as well. Morning, Nigel. So that's that. Some people will see this, right, this move on EJ and just be like, okay, if this candle closes, I'll just jump in a buy. You forgot that looking at EJ, what are you gonna do here? Look, you see, what do we have here? What do we have? Support, resistance, right? So meaning what? Price could, we see, we currently rejecting it, right? We're currently rejecting it. So we could reject here and EJ can do what? Start falling again. That's why I'm not looking for buys until we break and close above this resistance. I hope that makes sense. So these are some of the stuff that's going to be included in the mentorship. All right. But right now we do have a support created here now. All right. So if EJ keeps rejecting here, if you do take a sell, your first TP has to be at this support here. All right. I don't trade US 30. The only indices I trade is NAS 100. And if you're in the mentorship program, you also get NAS 100 signals. I'll be starting NAS 100 signals as well. So it's going to be included on that. But I don't trade NAS. The only time I trade NAS is NYSE Open. That's when I look for my entries on NAS. I don't trade it anytime else. London, Asian, I don't mess with NAS. I only mess with NAS WNYSE, and I've been smashing it. I've been smashing ass. If GU flips, it should come back to this support. But is there a one to one? Man, no one to one here. You don't have a one to one here on GU. This 30-minute candle might not flip, but if it flips on the 1 hour, just at this end, this support here, mentor program, mentorship program. It's gonna be 150 a month because it comes with the signals and you can cancel anytime you want. If you want to take this sell, even though we do not have one to one here, I do not like that. You can if you want to. If this 1 hour candle flips bearish, um, because I do not have at least a one to one here, that's why I'm not gonna take GU even if this 1 hour candle flips bearish. Yeah, the webinars will be recorded as well, Nigel. The webinars will be recorded, so everyone that's in the mentorship program will get the recorded version as well. So you really won't miss out on anything. So right now, if EJ breaks above, we're gonna continue up, and if we don't, I'm gonna wait for closures below this support, and then I'll take my sell and target this support down here. Very nice, Winter. Very nice. USDJPY and CAD and CAD JPY, they're not really London session pairs, so that's why they're really not moving right now.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride it around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sick. Water like a fish sip. Box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no
Yeah.
time. Let's quit the playing
Just
around.
gonna wait to see what EJ is gonna do here.
Keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean air we need. Start from the flow. Sweep up the scene. We going green. Work as a team. First rule to me. Let's keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean air we need. Start from the flow. Sweep up the scene. We going green. We going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying. I can say I'm perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma give my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean air we need. Start from the flow. Sweep up the scene. We going green. Work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean air we need. Start from the flow.
Damn, this is freaking dropping hard. Shit, wasn't expecting a hard drop like this. Damn, how far are you gonna drop? We'll see how this closes. If it closes below this support, that's even better. That's even a better entry. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this candle to close, J Smith. If we close below the support, that's even a better entry for us. Because checking the sell above this support here is more riskier than taking it below this support here. Because even though we did reject this resistance turn support here at 138.940, price could have faked out and then flip bullish and then continue pushing up. But hopefully we can take sell below here. Damn, but it's coming down hard. Damn. Is there news or something? Well, alright, I'll be back, guys. Shit, we'll see how far this thing wants to close down below this support.
ask. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen a picture, died in that crash. But thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My 2 kids in the back can't imagine how they felt. And they cried and they wept, but they're strong. And we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I put 10 on. I put 10 on.
Man, this sale is crazy here. That's a crazy sale. Alright, so we'll see how this candle closes on GJ. This candle closes in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna wait for the 4 a.m. candle. Gonna wait for the next candle.
Sounds familiar. Yeah. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter picked the 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr. Band, came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic, just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach, that's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You won't
Only
know
now this one want to start dropping.
I could turn the roads to an AP. I came from Soy to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why
Oh
you mad
shoot. Didn't even give me room to get in.
for. I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk of that 210s. Just like
Ah,
out the speakers was max
GJ
beat.
didn't give me room to get in.
If you ask me, never caught the chain. I was always trying to gain green. Ride around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell her why you mad for.
Oh man, pull back, pull back. Oh.
Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a minute. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening.
The
In Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't
the Euro news is not high impact, so I'm not worried about it at all.
must be talking about kids when you
Damn, GG didn't give me room to get in again, man.
tell her why you mad for.
Shit.
Don't tell her why you mad for. Silly.
Yeah, we're gonna drop.
Soft spoken. I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. For records in the hour, I'm not
Uh,
in the top 10 of bar for bar on this all coast. And it's easy for me. Just tell me going, I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeping on me.
Now I was out of GJ. I was trying to get in now. Remember, when I took this this candle stopped us out, and I was gonna get in again now, and shit, before I could push the button, it just bam, freaking dropped. Yep. Shit. Shit, I'll be securing more profit now. Damn. How is that damn GJ? I wasn't able to get in, guys. I already have everything set, but if I could push the sell button, it already moved. So yeah, and now look at it. Watch it freaking drop insanely now. And unfortunately, we're not in it. Unfortunately. What the hell? Do you guys see this EJ candle? Definitely wasn't expecting this. This is the news. Alright. Oh, come on, come on, come on. If this candle flips, I'm jumping in. Not even worried about this move is doing, it can still flip. This candle flip, I'm taking this yeah. Missed out on that EJ. On GJ now. Hopefully we're not gonna miss this one. Waiting to see if this candle is gonna flip, so I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. Damn, how many pips was this candle? This is a lot of pips. So I got in here. Oh my god, this one candle was 60 pips. This was a 60 pips candle. That's crazy. Yeah, if this candle drop, flips, oh man, let's look at it for an hour. Let's look at it for an hour. Man, look at all this clean traffic here. You know what? I'm gonna be greedy here on EJ. Hopefully VIP can catch all this move. See if we can swing this. Alright, so we're just waiting to see if this candle is gonna flip bearish.
Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Everything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took all we ever wanted. Yeah. Go and stack it by the hundreds. Yeah. Heads up, I'm coming. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Yeah.
Mind you guys, right now on EJ, as long as we do not close above this support, all right, as long as we do not close above this support, sales is still valid. All right, but if we do close above this support, then we could start going back up again, and then we could reject again up here. We could reject again right here. So just be patient and wait for the move to play out. This stop loss is slowly getting bigger. If we close bullish here on the 30-minute, then we could possibly get an entry using the 1 hour time frame, or maybe even, let's see, maybe even the 4 hour. Ha! We would have been stopped out on GJ again. Oh yeah, GJ should drop. This looks good. Yep, it should drop. No, Steph, I'm not in GU. Just because I do not have a one-to-one here on GU, that's why. That's why I'm not in GU. Oh, and Steph, you actually on the you in the premium server in Discord. You there? I'm just waiting on EJ here. It won't work. Uh, close it and close your Discord and open it up again. Yeah, look at G. It would have stopped us out again. This should have been a nice entry, but you got the support here. You got the support to the left. All right, you're welcome, Steph. Come on, EJ. Yeah. As long as we're still here, we're just ranging at this point. GJ is just ranging, just continuing his freaking ugly moves. Crazy, crazy. The moves today, man, is something else. No, we didn't take any trade. You had we didn't take EJ. It's right there on the screen. It says not in yet. I don't know. I guess some of you must be watching this on your phone. You know what? I'm actually gonna delete this because it looks like it confuses some of you. Even with the text, I know some of you will still be thinking we took the trade already. So I'm just gonna wait and see if we're gonna start flipping here. But we already we're already breaking above this support, so yeah, man, see, so I'm flip bullish again. It's okay, Hussein. Hmm. Um, well, alright, guys. I'm gonna end this stream now. Looks like I'll be trading New York session today. Alright guys, we're closing above the support, so I do not like that at all, because even if we do flip, um, as of right now, you're looking at least 35 pips stop loss if we do flip. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. And for those of you in the Discord, I'll be sending out the link for those of you that want to secure your mentorship spot. And we're gonna start 1st of September, but we're officially gonna start next week, Sunday. All right, guys. Probably Sunday is gonna be our first pre-market analysis for the ones that already secured their spots. So the link to the my broker is down below in the description. VIP signals down below in the description. And tomorrow I should have the mentorship link in the description as well. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. London session. We'll do this again. And if you're trading on your own, EJ right now, if you want to trade EJ right now, we could still, if we want to continue pushing up, we could still reject off the support again, or reject just the same zone where we rejected previously, right here. So for me, I would be looking for buys until we break above 139, 100. Maybe that might happen during the year session. And we could still drop here as well. So right now, since we're closing above this support, if this candle does not flip, I'll be looking for sales at these two previous zones here at 138,800 and or 138,940. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do this again. God bless you all. I'll see you guys at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. Bye for now, guys.